Hi everyone! In this quick tutorial, I will show you how to enable or disable notifications in the Wego travel app. Just open the app and go to your account, scroll down, and here you can find notifications. Tap on it and you can enable or disable the promotional notifications. This is when you enable it. It might take you to the settings of your own device and you will have to allow notifications here first. And if we go back now to the app, then it can be enabled. And there's also an option for inspirational notifications. We can enable or disable that one as well. That's basically it. Have a nice day.